What kind of place is this?
But what I really like racing. But what I really like racing.
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
his 113th Grand Prix start. He's proved the critics wrong. They said he might never win a Grand Prix. He's done it! Get in there!
Yes! 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 Yes!
I'm doing it! I'm doing it!
I don't like where this is going.
What is your problem, man? You know how to fucking drive? No. What? No, I don't know how to fucking drive. I don't know what any of this shit is, and I'm fucking scared.
Sometimes when genius is, it's almost frightening.
Hey, I've seen this one. This is a classic.
But it ain't about how hard you hit. It's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward. How much you can take and keep moving forward. That's how winning is done.
Hey bro, watch your jet.
Watch your jet, bro. Watch your jet!
Do you honestly think you're fucking funny? Seriously. You're a fucking ugly little...
If I don't avoid that, he's just flying straight for my car. Honestly, what are we doing? Racing or ping pong?
It's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward.
Oh shit! What is that? People keep asking if I'm back, and I haven't really had an answer. Now, yeah, I'm thinking I'm back.
This is not right. This is not cool. This is fucking bullshit. Oh yes, good idea. Quick. I know what you're thinking. I want to do it too. There you go. Perfect. We got you. Not a chance.
Don't do it to me. I beg you. No.